The forehand topspin approach. There are basically two ways to move through the shot. If the ball is short and I have to move diagonally forward to the side, I take the right foot, like an open stance forehand, and go through the ball. And there's the other way of moving, which I'm going to focus more on. And many pros, I've seen pros do this step over and over again. When the ball is short, they want to move forward in this fashion. So it's more of a hop step. The right foot goes forward, and then this step, it creates momentum for them to go through the ball. So racket is prepared. This is key. If your racket is not ready, no matter how well you move, you're not going to be able to hit the ball. Racket is ready. I take my right foot forward right before I hit. This momentum carries me through the shot. Now, as the racket drops, I'm about to lift up towards the ball. As I lift up, I'm going to hit the ball, and notice that little skip. And this skip just adds to the momentum and actually helps me get closer to the net without stopping and then hitting. A lot of times players do this for the approach shot. They go, they stop, hit, and then they move. The best way to hit the shot is actually just by moving forward and hitting and letting that momentum carry you to the net. So again, racket ready, hop step, racket drops, hit through the ball. Now watch, as I hit through the ball, the racket goes across the body, and notice my right foot. Do you see what happens? This is the uncoiling part. And this right here is actually very important for you to be able to strike this ball powerfully. So here, cross, notice how my body rotates forward. My body is square to the net. Finish the follow through, and then I land with the same foot.